What is humanity's purpose? I think there's three purposes to humanity. Reproduction, number one. I think number two is innovation. And I think three is exploration. And I think those are the three purposes. Procreation, creating children. The second would be technology and innovation and progress, building things. And then the third purpose to life is, of course, exploration, the Elon Musk route. He's kind of all three, I believe. And if you can try to be all three, that's the real purpose to life. That's when you're really winning. Elon Musk is a living example of the explorer type, the conqueror. When it comes to the human purpose, that's what I believe the human purpose is. So I think we have opportunities at all times and we need to seize them and jump on them, and you can't lose that. And then again, the third exploration, you need to be going to Mars. You need to have the traveler's mind, the Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, a great book. You need to have this kind of mindset because as human beings, these are our three purposes. This is what we do. Ultimately, look at through all the way to the ancient times. This is what we've done. This is just the truth. That's the purpose to life, in my opinion. And then, of course, to be an explorer, a conqueror. There's something virtuous about traveling the stars and going to Mars and going to the distant galaxies. There's something that's exciting about those people. The limitations of humanity that are tested with those people. You need all three kinds of people in humanity in order for humanity to really work. But if you truly want to have a great life, then the goal is to balance all three of those. And I think those are the three purposes to life that will make you truly free. Hopefully that video gave you insight. Let me know. Like, share, subscribe this video, and I'll see you next time.